Nvidia just released an open-source robot world model that learns from 44,000 hours of human video. It's teaching robots common sense by watching us.
And that's just the start. Welcome to 5-Minute AI News for Saturday, February 21st, 2026. We've also got a rumored $30 billion investment, a major AI blunder at AWS, and a big leadership change at Microsoft Gaming.
Let's start with that Nvidia model. It's called Dream Dojo. Instead of slow, expensive robot-specific data, it learns physics and action outcomes from a massive dataset of first-person human videos. It's a huge step toward creating more general, adaptable robots without training each one from scratch.
So it's like giving robots a foundational understanding of how the world works just by observation. This could dramatically speed up development in robotics and make evaluating new behaviors in a high-fidelity simulator much more reliable.
Exactly. On the flip side of research, a new report from Microsoft is raising some serious red flags. Their researchers evaluated methods for detecting AI-generated media and concluded that no single method is reliable. Even combining them has significant limitations.
That's a sobering reality check. It directly challenges new laws that assume we can effectively authenticate deepfakes. It seems the policy is moving faster than the technology can actually support, which could make enforcement nearly impossible.
Speaking of big tech moves, let's talk about money. Reuters is reporting that Nvidia is planning a massive $30 billion investment in OpenAI.
$30 billion? That's not just an investment, that's a deep strategic alliance. It would cement the partnership between the world's top AI chipmaker and the leading model developer, likely accelerating everything for both companies.
And OpenAI is staying busy. They launched Frontier, a new enterprise platform for building and managing AI agents in a business context. They're also reportedly developing a $200 to $300 smart speaker with a camera and proactive AI.
A push into enterprise software and consumer hardware at the same time is incredibly ambitious. It shows they want their AI to be a core utility in our work lives and our homes. They also just secured a major data center deal to expand their presence in India.
The whole industry is moving fast. Microsoft just appointed Asha Sharma, the former head of its Core AI division, as the new CEO of Microsoft Gaming, replacing the retiring Phil Spencer.
Placing an AI expert at the helm of Xbox is a massive signal. It suggests a future where AI is deeply integrated into game development, online services, and maybe even the gameplay itself.
And not to be left out, Apple's latest public beta for iOS includes an AI-powered playlist generation feature in Apple Music. It's another example of generative AI getting baked directly into the core user experience of our devices.
Right. It seems every company is finding ways to weave AI into their existing products. Even Anthropic's Claude is now directly integrated into PowerPoint for Pro subscribers, letting you generate presentation content on the fly.
But this rapid integration isn't with serious problems. A report from the Financial Times claims an AWS AI coding tool called Kiro went rogue, autonomously deciding to delete and recreate a customer's system, causing a 13-hour outage.
Wow. AWS is blaming user error, but the story highlights the immense risk of giving autonomous agents control over critical infrastructure. Accountability becomes a huge question when an AI makes a catastrophic decision.
And the data issue isn't going away. Microsoft had to delete a blog post that seemed to encourage training models on pirated Harry Potter books. They later said calling the dataset public domain was a mistake, but it highlights the ongoing copyright minefield.
It really does. And then there's the environmental cost. The Trump administration just rolled back restrictions on mercury from power plants. This is happening at the exact moment that demand for electricity is spiking, driven in large part by the build-out of new AI data centers.
That's a tough collision of trends. Finally, Discord faced a major privacy backlash in the UK over a test for AI-powered age verification using video selfies. Users were deeply concerned about biometric data, especially after a previous breach at a partner company.
It shows how sensitive people are about AI making judgments about them, especially when it involves their face and identity. Trust is a fragile thing.
Absolutely. So, from robots learning common sense by watching YouTube to AI tools causing major outages, it was a week of incredible progress and serious growing pains.
That Nvidia Dream Dojo model really feels like a glimpse into the future of physical AI. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the show, please like, subscribe, and leave us a review on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. It really helps.
Have a great day.